Honey is a liquid syrup derived from plant nectar produced by honeybees. Honey is much loved around the world because of its sweet taste and many benefits. Honey has an aroma, taste, and color that varies depending on the type of flower it is made of. Honey is also often used in various food and drink recipes by the community. Not without reason why many people consume honey. Of course, the main reason is that honey has several health benefits. Then what are the benefits of honey that can support the health of the human body? 5 benefits of honey for health. 1. Boost the immune system. Honey is one solution to boost the immune system. The content of flavonoids and polyphenols in honey can neutralize free radicals and other toxins that can cause cell damage, as well as oxidative stress. In addition, honey contains vitamin C, which can help the body fight disease, and can improve the function of white blood cells to protect the body from infection. 2. Help relieve cough. Honey works as a sedative, which is believed to be able to soothe mucous membranes by coating the throat. Honey is recommended by WHO as a natural cough medicine, because honey is quite effective in treating the frequency and severity of cough. 3. Accelerate wound healing. History says that healing wounds on the body using honey has existed since ancient Egypt. Not without reason, as honey can prevent infection and create a barrier against any potential pathogens, while keeping the area moist, which has been shown to promote healing. 4. Make blood sugar levels better. The antioxidants in honey may help protect against metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. Honey can also help increase adiponectin levels, which can reduce inflammation and improve blood regulation. Honey has been shown to increase fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes, but even so, it would be nice for diabetics not to overeat honey. 5. Improves heart health. There are so many benefits of honey for heart health, including it can help prevent heart disease, help lower blood pressure, regulate heart rate, and prevent the death of healthy cells that can improve heart function and health. But keep in mind, the benefits of honey for the heart still need further research to be able to understand the effects of honey on heart health.